I have just finished a spool of some of my favorite thread, and it comes on these really adorable wooden spools. This is Scanfill thread. It is 100% organic cotton thread, and part of their mission for clean and sustainable thread is to make sure all of their packaging is also clean and sustainable. So even their spools are wooden. And I saw this really cute idea where somebody took their spools and turned them into Halloween decorations. So I have this chiffon ribbon, which has these kind of rough edges. And I thought it'd be fun to just kind of wrap some of this around, being really messy, because I want to make a little mummy. And then once it's wrapped enough around where it looks kind of solid, I'm going to just cut it. And then I have some glue dots. And I'm just going to put the dot there. And close this up there and actually kind of tuck it in. All right, so there's my little mummy to be. And then I cut out 2 little circles with just a hole puncher. And I attached glue dots to those. And then I'm going to create a little space. And put one little eye there. And the other little eye there. And look, I've made a little mummy decoration. Super cute, super easy, and a fun way to use your leftover spools and turn them into decorations. And you can use yarn or any kind of ribbon or thread to wrap around to create your little spool creatures.